Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Ralph here. Today I'm going to teach you how you can make one of these crafts. Now my daughter is working on her numbers, so we've made this based around maths, but you could change it into anything you want. Maybe you're looking at different letters or phonics or colours. So I'll show you how it works. Okay, so you need a square piece of card. Now, if you have a rectangular piece of card, you need to measure how long is it down one side, measure across, and then cut down that side there, because you must make sure you have a square piece of card, and it can be any colour that you like. So the first part is you take the corner and you go into the centre of your square, and you have made, what's this triangle here? Good. Then you do the same the next side to make another triangle. Then you do it again to make another one. And it doesn't matter if it's a little bit off, that's what makes it really creative. And then finally you do another one. So our triangles have made a slightly smaller square. Then this is what's really, really important. You turn it over and lay it down. Then same again, you take a corner. Now this is a little bit harder because the card is a bit thicker. So you fold it down again and press down really firmly. Use those muscles. Rotate it and do the same again. Push it into the centre and press it down really hard. Then fold it again and press it down and fold it again and press it down. Good. Okay, so an even smaller square. Then you have to fold it in half and then fold it in half the other way. And then this is the tricky part. You have to put a thumb and a finger under there, and a thumb and a finger under there, and push the two sides together. That's it. And you can just straighten these out to make them look a little bit more pretty. Okay, and there you have it. So, as I said, you can have numbers on here. So you need to write down, so it could be numbers or colours. And then inside, in these small triangles here, you write some more numbers and some more colours. And then underneath those, in this part here, and in this part, and all the way round, you can write different things. Maybe it's an activity you want to do, or maybe you could write down different stories you'd like someone to read to you, or for you to read. It's entirely up to you. So once you've made this, you can ask a grown-up or maybe a brother or sister to play the game with you. So one of you will hold this, and as you can see underneath, you'll put a hand there and a finger underneath and turn it round. And you'll ask them, choose a number. And they might say number 2. So you go up and across. So you did it twice because they chose number 2. And then you say, choose a number. And they might look and say, number 5. So you do the same action. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see the numbers in there. And you ask them to choose a number. And they go, number 6. And then you open up number 6. And then you can write something down under these numbers to see what maybe the activity is. So for here, we've got a bike ride. We've got maybe have some sweets. We do a craft or an activity, or just a simple telling someone that they love them, or maybe go on the trampoline. So you could have any activity, or maybe you might want to do a sum under there if you're looking at maths. And there you have it. So I hope you have fun playing with these and let me know how you get on. Take care everyone, bye.